Hello friends, welcome back to the video series on Matplotlib. And in this part, we will set up our development environment on our local machine and copy the code as well. In order to replicate the code base, you go to this code section and either copy this HTTPS URL and use git clone to get the code, or you can either download zip. Once you download it on your local machine, you can open it with any of your choice of code editor. I'll use Visual Studio Code. So this is the files that you will have when you replicate or clone the repository. You can open a new terminal. Once you open a new terminal, you will have a requirements.txt file when you clone the repository. What I'll do is that I'll use Python module venv to create a new virtual environment for this project. I'll name it venv. You can use any name you want. When I'll hit enter, it will create a folder here. Now I will activate the virtual environment. For Windows and for Linux and Mac, you can use source venv then bin and activate. And in case of Windows, you can use venv then scripts then activate. This will activate the virtual environment on your local system. Once you have the virtual environment activated, and you can verify it that I am inside virtual environment, you can use pip install -r for a file, and our file name is requirements.txt. I'll hit enter. This command will install all the required dependencies to run the code. This small warning is just, it's saying that you don't have the latest version of the pip. So either you just copy paste the command and hit enter, or you just skip it. It doesn't matter at this point of time. So this is it for the environment setup. Now we are ready to develop our understanding on Matplotlib. See you in the next part of the video. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Peace.